All right, today we're going to show you this neat looking thing here. This is called a Faro, F-A-R-O arm. We have here some accessories that go with it, basically a whole system. This comes packaged in a nice portable suitcase with foam inserts and foam lining. So what this is basically a portable CMM coordinate measuring machine that you can bring with you aboard a ship or an aircraft or a big piece of machinery, anything that you couldn't get normally onto a CMF machine itself and lay out. You've got a couple of different bases. Basically, this apparatus here is the arm, which can make all kinds of movements and all kinds of positions, articulating. This collar unscrews from here and can be mounted. This is a magnetic chuck, like you'd see on a grinder. This is a base that you can permanently mount. If you were going to keep this in a special station, you can put it on the wall, in the back, you can put it on the bottom. It's just a mounting plate that has the same thread as this collar here. And in the box down here, we're going to show you in our photos, is a vacuum chuck that would screw onto the bottom of this, and if you had flat material that wasn't made out of metal, you could hold it on there possibly with the vacuum chuck. So it comes with this PC, Dell PC, and as you can see here, I've got my X, Y, and Z readout. I don't know enough about this. You would certainly have to contact Faro using the information that we'll provide on our website as far as software version, year and model. But you do have some manuals here. You do have some DVDs. You do have a flash drive that came with it. You have a special cover that goes over the Faro arm. And that's pretty much it. I'm not going to talk about something I don't really understand. This has a few setup pieces in here. So looks like there's a lot there. You got a little cover for your stylus, a couple of special tools and wrenches. So basically that's it. Again, I'm not quite sure, but you would use this. You can see my thing on the screen there. All my numbers are changing as I move this around. And you could use this to go inside of something and make point-to-point measurements, and this would store that, and you could load that program into a machine to make an identical part. So there you go, and I hope I was right about that. Anyway, it's the Faro. It's pretty neat. There's lots of information about these things on YouTube and on if you Google it, and it's pretty interesting. Thank you very much.